Hey guys, so I have not vlogged at all for a very long time. Well, I was gonna stop vlogging because I'm pretty much just testing out like my vlogging stick, but I'll just let you guys watch me clean. Alright guys, so I'm about to tackle this dirty ass room. Like, I have a freaking mess. A mess. Oh my god. Look, I got these from the store today. This mirror right here says true beauty comes from within. Babe, can you shut up? Because I'm vlogging and you're being real loud. Can you do it outside? This one says true beauty comes from within. You can't really see it. And then this one says be your own kind of beautiful. This and rise and grind. Cute. Then I also got that relax sign because it just looks so cute. I need to organize all this crap. He is 29 and tomorrow he will be 30 years old. How babe? Say something.
Yeah.
How do you feel being 30 years old?
It's cold right now, my left knee is hurt. That's how I feel. I eat food and doesn't digest.
Show me your belly. Show me that 30-year-old belly. You just got off work, but I have been cleaning.
Yeah.
How big?
Yeah. When your wife tells you, do you?
I feel like I should move things around. Like I should move my...
No.
I feel like crowded.
You will move every like 2 hours.
But look, honestly, did it look crowded before I moved it? Less, or does it look more crowded now?
Less crowded now.
Less crowded? I don't know if I want that black shelf there anymore, but it does help me. And I don't know about all this. This is gonna change. Like I'm gonna keep that, but for Christmas, hopefully I get like a little cabinet, a little white something, and I'm gonna replace that big thing. It's like too much. It's just, ugh, it's kind of annoying. It's annoying me.
You should make a video.
But then too big. Like it's just too. It's annoying the hell out of me. Alright, so I don't know what we're gonna be doing today, but I feel like going home and filming maybe like a makeup video. If not, I for sure. Ew, you touched me with your nasty hand.
Yeah, finish your vlogging.
What I was saying. Just kidding. I'm gonna go do my hair and makeup so I can look like a girl.
I was freaking shit here.
So, hopefully it's focusing. Does it focus? Yeah. So anyways, I was gonna clean, but now I'm not. I don't feel like it. Shut up. I did some of it, look.
I did some of it?
I did some of it. Oh, here, let me.
That's how you be doing vlogging.
And I popped my pimple.
Wow.
Duh, who wants a pimple? But I'm just, these are all clean. I'm just gonna put them away. This is cute, or should I put it over there?
No, leave it there.
It's cute right there. I need to change, like, leave that white, leave this pink, you know? Just like simple.
I actually like that.
On film, I bought something. Don't get mad at me.
What you buy? You need to put what you buy.
Before we go home. The camera's all shaking.
What you buy?
But it was for YouTube.
For me too.
For YouTube.
But mostly you.
No, YouTube.
Okay. Oh, me too? YouTube! Oh, YouTube!
Oh my goodness.
Speak English right, I don't understand it.
Yeah, I bought a light for my background. It was pretty cheap. I was gonna order one. Huh? Can you see me?
Yeah. All I can see is your eyelashes shadows. It covers your whole face.
Lame Andre. Okay, let's go.
I guess I'll try it.
No, I'll try it.
No, I'll try it.
I'll try it.
Okay.
No, I'll try it.
No. You cannot vlog and drive at the same time. That's
I do all the
dangerous.
time.
Don't be showing people that on YouTube. You gotta be careful.
Do you see any set of keys for the front door? Whole thing of keys. They do. Oh, right here. Got it. These are all the keys. So I need to.
All the keys to this place?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But I don't know which one. No, not all. Yeah, all of them.
You gotta live in the world. You gotta live where.
Yeah, but we live where there's like 25 people
Okay.
in this fucking house.
You gotta
I need
live.
to stop pressing.
You gotta live your life.
No, because I'm trying out this
I'm
stick.
trying to be
I'm trying out this stick.
inspirational right now.
But I think they have like a stabilizer. I wonder if they have one.
What? You wanna go Walmart?
No.
You gotta live your life
Wait, that guy's gonna judge me.
thinking. Yeah, that's your problem. You gotta live life thinking. People not doing. Who cares? Who's doing something? Who cares?
Look at, imagine if we could, like this, you know? Because like you could see everything, can you?
Am I driving?
No, I'm driving. Alright guys. I did it. I vlogged in public.
No, don't let people think. What? I'm trying to speak and I can't. Don't.
I am gonna film, but I was showing you my ghetto setup that I have. So this is my backdrop paper, and I'm gonna be buying one that holds it. Anyway, this is a light that I use to light up my background. If I can turn it on. Yeah, trying to give myself some light. But yeah, that lights up my background really good. And then I just have my soft boxes and then my ring light with my camera. So I'm gonna film something. Have no idea exactly what yet, but yeah, talk to you later.
Here,
Go, bite it.
I just do it myself. You guys don't know how.
No,
Ready?
don't mess it up.
We have to eat
Go.
Go. Don't.
it. You guys suck.
Because
Don't.
you're stopping.